All right, here we are in Adobe Photoshop. I'm going to show you how to remove this logo a couple ways. First, we're going to get the stamp tool. Clone stamp, you just press S on your keyboard, the little S is right there, or this is the guy. And when you come over here, you can see it's like putting a little bit of red on there. It's pulling from wherever I option click. So right now it's pulling from there. I can even go up here and you can see it's pulling that color from his neck. So you want to get close. You can adjust the size of this brush right here. I right clicked. So just the size, or you can do that manually. I'll show you over without having to open this right click dialog. The hardness is another thing that see how it's like a blurry edge around this. It's not a solid circle. It's kind of like feathered at the end. That's called a feather actually, but um, uh, so it's not a solid thing. If I change it to 100, it's just like gone. Like see, it's very abrupt. You can just like cut. I mean, which is fine in this scenario, but um, you're probably going to want a feathered brush as well doing this, especially if you're doing this to a bunch of stuff. Um, so it's got a nice soft edge and blurs the edge, blurs everything together. So we're almost done. I mean, this is one way, and this is a very manual way. It's better for bigger logos. If this logo is bigger, you're not going to be able to. You're going to have to really get color from here, put it here, here, here. So you need to go around in a circle and really work your way into the middle. And then there's another way to do it. I'm going to undo that a bunch of times here. I guess I could have just went to the history palette, but whatever. Okay. Now I can draw on with the lasso. I could just draw like a circle around it. Boom. And then you can go to this patch tool, which is J. I think it has this as the default tool, the spot healing. So go to patch, get this guy. And now you can drag it. So I'm going to do the same thing. You can drag it in different ways, and it's going to take whatever's in this new circle and put it in there. And it does feather it typically too, but you can see, yeah, his neck, whatever. So when you let go, it kind of, it thinks and it does it. And then I'm just going to hit deselect. So that's another way, but that doesn't always work. So, you know, you might not want, it might be dark up here. There might be a shadow or a wrinkle that you brought in there. So that's not always it. And you can see a little bit of the edge where it did it. So the stamp tool, and sometimes you just use the combo of both and you just go over like the little edges. So with those tools combined, yeah, see, I'm doing that I can see the edge, but not anymore. So with those tools combined, the stamp and patch, I mean, you're good to go. So hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, let me know in the comments. Thanks.